It's Main Motors here. I found a set of R32 Skyline wheels imported from Japan on Facebook Marketplace for $100. So naturally I had to pick them up. Now they are in pretty rough shape, but I'm going to be refinishing them, repainting them, so that I can have them on my Lexus IS300. Now the rear tires are absolutely trash. These came from Japan. They're totally dry rotted, no good at all, probably like 20 years old. So I have a set of a Kumho Exta V730s. These are track tires, so these are really sticky compound. I'm gonna put those on the Skyline wheels, and then I will go ahead and repaint them. So I took the car to this sketchy tire shop to go ahead and get these tires mounted and balanced. As you can see, I'm absolutely ecstatic about the grip of these tires. After a bit of fun driving, I decided to get an alignment just so I don't chew up these brand new tires and then have to get another set really fast. Alright, so we got the new track tires mounted and balanced. Now it's finally time to paint these. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up as best as I can and remove all 4 center caps to make sure that those don't get painted over. I've gone over the wheels with some scrub brushes and rinsed them off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish drying them off. There can't be any contaminants underneath, so I have to make sure these are really clean. This is the paint we're going to be using. It is Rust-Oleum high performance wheel coating. Usually I use Duplicolor, but this one was a lot cheaper. This was $7. The Duplicolor was double the price, so I'll try this one out and see how it goes. Make sure you use proper safety gear when you're painting things. You don't want that stuff getting in your lungs. So now I've finished preparation. Wheels are fully cleaned, and we've used index cards to prevent overspray from getting on the tire. Alright, these have turned out better than I could have possibly expected. Everything's looking awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put the center cap in. Boom. And that is it. Alright, so time for a cost breakdown. I paid $100 originally for the full set of wheels and tires. The tires on there were trash. I tore those off and bought these Kumho Exa V730 track tires for $150. $150 plus 100 is $250. I got them mounted and balanced for $80, which makes $320 or $330 actually. And then I spent $10 on paint, so that's $340. So for around $350 and a bit of labor, we have a very, very nice set of Skyline wheels with track tires, which are almost new. So here you can see what these looked like before, and here you can see what they looked like after. Huge difference. Really happy with how these turned out. And here is how they look on my car. This is my IS300. That's gonna be it for today, so thanks for watching, and I guess subscribe if you aren't already.